Are robots about to take over construction sites? Let's find out. Welcome to the future, where AI isn't just a tech buzzword, it's a tool actively transforming construction sites. From automating tedious data entry to assisting with complex project designs, AI is stepping up as a powerful ally for small and mid-sized construction companies. But what does this mean for your business?
Right now, AI can take over manual tasks that are repetitive and error-prone, allowing your team to focus on more strategic activities.
This isn't about replacing jobs, it's about enhancing your workforce's capabilities. One of the most significant ways AI is transforming construction is through project management. AI-powered platforms can predict project timelines more accurately by analyzing historical data. This means fewer delays, cost overruns, and a better bottom line.
Companies like OpenAI are providing tools that help automate scheduling, resource allocation, and risk management. Imagine having a virtual project manager that learns from past projects to optimize future ones.
Repetitive tasks are a staple in construction, but they're also prime candidates for automation.
AI systems can handle tasks like data entry, ordering supplies, and even basic on-site measurements. This reduces human error and frees up your team for more critical work. Google's DeepMind is exploring ways to measure progress toward a more autonomous worksite with AI. The aim is for machines to handle the grunt work, while humans tackle tasks that require creativity and critical thinking. Safety is paramount on any construction site, and AI is stepping in to enhance safety protocols. AI can monitor sites in real time, identifying potential hazards and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. This proactive approach can significantly reduce accidents and improve worker safety, ultimately lowering insurance costs and avoiding costly legal issues. As AI continues to evolve, its role in construction will only grow. The integration of advanced AI tools could lead to fully autonomous construction sites, where robots and humans work side by side. This might sound like science fiction, but companies are already developing technology to make it a reality. The key for small and mid-sized businesses is to start integrating AI now to stay competitive. By leveraging AI, construction companies can enhance efficiency, cut costs, and deliver better projects. If you found this exploration of AI